everyone to know we stand in solidarity with you all and with all of the soldiers of the Tatmadaw who all voted for an NLD government.
Exactly. Thank you so much. This is Miss Janelle from Australia. She is the members of Parliament of New South Wales State, right? So yeah, I want to speak a bit in Burmese.
Sure. Can I say one more thing?
Yeah, please.
To the ethnic nationalities MPs and ethnic nationalities friends who've struggled for so long as well, we stand in solidarity with you and stay strong and stay together and resist the coup.
Yeah, thank you so much. ဒါကတော့ Miss Channel ဖြစ်ပါတယ် New South Wales ပြည်နယ်ကသူကပါလီမန်အမတ်ပါကျွန်တော်တို့အခုဖြစ်နေတဲ့မြန်မာပြည်ရဲ့အရေးကိစ္စများကိုကျွန်တော်ရန်တခါကပြောခဲ့တဲ့အတိုင်း Australia နိုင်ငံကအတက်ကြွဆုံးပါသူတို့ကကျွန်တော်တို့ရဲ့အခက်အခဲတွေကိုအမြန်ဆုံးဖြေရှင်းပေးမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဒီညကျွန်တော်ဒီအမျိုးသမီးနဲ့တွေ့ဆုံခွင့်ရတာကျွန်တော်တို့အတွက်အလွန်တန်ကောင်းပါတယ်ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ် Okay, this is the first part. So, another.
You edit.
Yeah, I can edit it. I can edit videos or audios because I've been doing this for so many years. Thank you so much. So, the next second part is I have some information. This is secret information, and about. Yeah. That's all I want to. Yeah. I will cut it here. Please, I will send you the phone number of my colleague in Sydney. He is ex-ABSTF. Have you ever heard about ABSTF?
I used to be their legal advisor.
Yeah. His name is Nai Ao.
I know Nai Ao.
Yeah, exactly. I give him all the information necessary to him because he is a trustworthy colleague of me. So
he is trustworthy. I know.
Yeah. So please contact Mr. Nai Ao and.
His contact because we haven't had contact for years.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. I have his phone number.